Hello everyone, and welcome back to part 2 of set 3 on lightsaber use. Now, part 1 dealt with the behind the back hand switches. Alright, now I wanted to use those to create or to start building up to that blade barrier move that we're going to be dealing with in the next video. Alright, I wanted to talk about the number of beats in a circle. Alright, so you notice that with that first one, this is a 1 beat move, meaning that the blade is down 1 time, right here. Blades up, blades down. It makes 1 circle. Okay, behind the back, one circle. Alright, if I add to that a little bit, all I need to do is switch one of those hand switches out for the other. So up top of my head, I'm still going to be doing this one, but behind my back, I'm going to be doing this one. What that means is we get a 2-beat move. Down, down. I have a beat here and a beat here. I'll show that one to you one more time. Alright, so that was the 2-beat move. Alternately, I could do the same thing, changing the other beat, or adding those 2 beats up here instead of down here. What that would look like is behind my back, I'm going to be doing this one low, blade pointed down, and this one high, blade also pointed down. Okay, those are the 2 beats. Right? 2 different varieties of 2-beat circles behind the back, or 2-beat maneuvers. Alright, let's add a 3rd beat in for this video, and then we'll look at 4 and 5 in the next one. To add that 3rd beat in, all that we're going to do is we're going to switch the other one. Okay? Whereas before, we were doing the crossover either here or here, and then the other one was that simple hand switch. Okay? Now we're going to do both. I'll just show you what that looks like, and then I'll talk about it. Okay, and what we end up with when we do that is we end up with a 3-beat move. So let's look at the 3 beats. Beat down right here, and then up. Blades down right here, and then up, and blades down right here. So I have a downbeat up here, here, and here. One more time. Down, up, down, up, down. And that 3-beat move is actually one of the more useful ones. The reason behind it, when we're doing that low switch with the blade pointed down, the blade can hit the ground or it can hit the backs of my ankles. Okay? When I've got that low switch with the blade pointing up, I have a whole lot more mobility. If I do this move while I'm walking, I'm not going to hit myself. I stand a whole lot less of a chance of hitting the ground as well. Okay? When we're dealing with up, okay, it gives me again more mobility because when I'm crossing like this, I'm not in danger of hitting the ceiling or the things above me. Okay, outside, no problem. I can certainly do the Thundercats, or Thundercats Ho maneuver up here, as my son calls it. But if I do this, it's more contained. The beats are closer together behind my back. Alright, so that is the 2-beat and the 3-beat version. Join me back here next time. We'll look at 4s and 5s.